friends. Let's get ready to play chef. Are you ready? Let's go. Before we bake our cookies, put on your apron and chef's hat. Let's go. Nice. You have your apron and chef's hat on. Point to the egg. We need the egg to make cookies. Hey, you found the egg. You're an amazing chef. Now, crack the egg. Strong work. You cracked the egg. I'll gather the rest of the ingredients and you can pour it in. Hooray! Pour the supplies in, chef. Nice. Now it's time to stir. Stir in the bowl. Way to go, chef. What yummy looking cookie dough. Now it's time to roll the dough. Roll the dough. Nice! The cookies are ready to go on the pan. Put the cookies on the pan. Next, they go in the oven. Open the oven and put the cookies in. Now it's time to wait. Let's count to 5 while we wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ding! What does that mean? The cookies are ready! Now for the best part. Bite the cookie! Yummy! Nice work, chef. Have a great day. Goodbye.